And we're back to CapCut. Let me show you how you can animate the audio volume, especially when you have a voiceover you want to go down with the audio from time to time. Just select the audio clip in the timeline and then go to Basic up here. Open a drop down for Basic, check the box, and then you will find a keyframe animation option right here. Go to Start Position, for example, where you want the animation to start. Activate this diamond icon. You can see the keyframe down here. Go to the End Position, click on it again. And we can see 2 diamonds right here. And here on the second one, I go down with the volume and you can see it's now gradually faded out. So the audio volume goes down. And you can bring that back up. Just create a new keyframe right here and erase the level once again. So this is basically how you could do a manual fade in, fade out, and you can obviously add fades at specific positions. That is not possible with the sliders below, where it says fade in and fade out. So this comes in handy, as I've said, especially when you have a voiceover. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.